Okay, so this website, it doesn't allow me to copy or use right hand uh, here, right hand in my mouse in order to make a copy and paste in another place. As you see here, you cannot make a right hand. So the best option to make a right hand here and copy paste, because this website is using JavaScript, I will use a proxy server. So made as online proxy. Then I will use the website here. So I will take the link, I go back here, paste the websites, then I will automatically I will remove scripts from here. Then I agree and connect. As you see here, I can make selection because this website disables JavaScript. Here I can make any selection, use right hand, copy and paste, save image, etc. So you should use this website in order to remove or to disable JavaScript from the website, and you can copy and paste.